Hello everyone, my name is Miles Lee. Annyeonghaseyo, and today we're going to unbox this Carecella Hydration Basic Set, and this provides intense hydration and nourishment to the skin. This is a product of G-Coop, and of course this is from my sponsor, and my sponsor is no other than Coyote27. So he's a member of this networking company. Very protected. So as you can see here, returns not accepted if seal is broken. So this is the seal. Again, this is for all skin types. Let's see there. Okay, so this is it. So Carecella Hydration Basic Set. This is the basic set for skincare. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm gonna show you by step. First, of course, before we put on skincare or whatever, we need to clean our face, and we start by using Hydration Foam Cleanser. And this is a low pH foam cleanser that deeply cleanses skin with a rich lather of fine bubbles. Yes, so foam cleanser. And the next one should be the Balance Toner. The Balance Toner. This is an essence water-like toner that helps to tone and nourish the skin. One, and this is also for all skin types. And the next should be the Hydration Intensive Serum. So this intensely hydrating and nourishing gel type serum. You see, and also for skin hydration. And the next one should be the Emulsion. So this one is a light textured emulsion that provides moisturizing and nourishing benefits to the skin. Yes, the fourth. And we do have the Hydration Aqua Cream. So step 5 is the Aqua Cream. So this is a lightweight cream that offers intense hydration for softer and healthier looking skin. So that's the 5th one. So on the box, guys, we can see the step 1 to 5 on how are we going to use these skincare products, from the foam cleanser to the cream, and we can also see the basic ingredients that they use. And the good thing about this product is that they contain natural ingredients like lavender oil, ginseng, and other natural ingredients. And so, ito na nga po yung ating Carecella Basic Set. And these skincare products, guys, ay napaka-light lang sa skin. I have tried a lot of skincare products, maybe mga 4 na brands na. Pero yung skin ko ay very sensitive kasi manipis yung skin ko na halos nakikita mo na nga yung ugat. And later, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano siya gamitin. Well, actually, yung ibang mga gumagamit nito ay kung gusto nila na maging natural look lang, ito na lang mismo yung ginagamit nila. Hindi na sila gumagamit ng BB cream like yung sister-in-law ko. When I saw her, very natural na lang yung look niya. Hindi na siya actually gumamit ng BB cream. Kung gusto niyo na parang napaka natural look na lang, so lipstick na lang talaga. But if you wanna also protect your skin before using foundation or BB cream. Ayan, ito muna yung gagamitin natin, skincare products. So, ina-apply ito guys in the morning before ka mag-put on ng makeup or in the evening before sleeping para ma-maintain yung hydrated and young skin. Kasi habang tayo ay tumatanda, nagkakaroon tayo ng wrinkles. So, nakalagay naman din dito na this is for brightening, and then this are also wrinkle care cosmetic products. So, para ma-avoid natin yung wrinkles, lalo na kapag tayo ay mga stress, alam niyo na. And then later, I'm gonna show you how am I going to use these products, and then ano ba yung effect niya sa face ko. Wag lang kayong magugulat guys ha, kapag wala akong makeup. Oo, medyo, alam niyo na, hindi tayo kagandahan. Kaya huwag kayong magugulat guys. I'm gonna show you later.